for executing applications. Hiding files, hide malicious files inside systems, that is called hiding files. Covering tracks to hide your evidence so that nobody can trace you, that is called covering tracks. So these are 5 goals of system hacking you should know initially. Next, password cracking. That what are the types of password cracking? So there are 3 types which you can use to crack the passwords. You can create your password list, dictionary, hybrid, brute force types also available. Like in dictionary, a file of words is run against user accounts, and if the password is simple word, it can be found pretty quickly. That is dictionary. Next, hybrid. A common method utilized by users to change passwords is to add a number or symbol to the end. Hybrid attack works like a dictionary attack but adds simple numbers or symbols to the password attempt to add something extra in the end of the password. Brute force, the most time consuming but comprehensive way to crack a password. Every combination of characters is tried until the password is broken. That is called brute force. And in later part of video, I have shown you how you can create your own dictionary using Kali Linux operating system. Active online attack, Trojan spyware or keylogger. Attackers installs Trojan spyware keylogger on victim system to get remote connection with victim system. Trojan spyware keyloggers runs in the background and send credentials to attacker, and victim doesn't know anything running in the system. These are the methods you can use. Rootkit. Gather passwords from system. This is a method of rootkit that how you can gather information about from someone else's browser. Like insert the USB drive and the auto run window will pop up. Content of launch.bat. Create autorun.inf in USB drive. Passview is executed in the background and password will be stored in the .txt files in the USB drive. Download passview password hacking tool. So this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 method to create a software. Now what is passive online attack? Passive online attack is like man in the middle attack. It is called man in the middle attack or called sniffing. It's like when 2 computers are connecting or chatting with each other, then maybe a third computer is extracting their details. That is called man in the middle attack. Password recovery software. There are also some password recovery software available in the market. You can download for free or for paid. It's up to you that how you do that. And like Alcomsoft distributed password recovery tool is such tool which you can download and you can crack Windows passwords, you can crack account passwords, you can crack MS Office product key recovery. There's also help center, you can call them and they will help you to get your password. So this is all about our system hacking part 1, and in second phase we will know some more details about system hacking. Till then,